In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery in your LiftMaster garage door opener. This video is for the 373LM that you see we have here. You don't need any special tools to get this done. It's super simple. All you'll need is one CR2032 battery to replace the one inside. You can get these online, and if you're interested, you can go check down in the description. There'll be a link that'll take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Can start by pulling out the clip on the back. Just simply pull and it will come right out. On the top of the device, you can see there's an opening there. You can use this clip. If you're in a pinch, you can just use the very same clip to pry this open, but I do recommend using a flathead screwdriver because that's just gonna work better. It's gonna damage the device less as well. So just twist until it starts to open up and then work your way around, twisting. And once it's starting to open up, you can just pull it apart like that. Here we have the battery that you can just pull out with your fingers or gently remove with the screwdriver. You can dispose of your old battery, and when you're putting in your new 2032 battery, make sure that the positive side is facing up, and you'll just simply push that down into place. That's all it takes. We're pretty much done now. Just when we're putting this back together, you want to line the buttons up with the buttons you see there on the circuit board. So just set that on top and squeeze it back together. To put your clip back in, it just simply slides into place. And that's it. This is now good to go. It does not need to be reprogrammed or anything like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and have a great day.